Hello, my name is Caitlin Qualls, and today we will be using Skittles and arrays to understand multiplication. The standard we will be using today is 3OA-A1. Interpret the factors and products in whole number multiplication equations. The standards for mathematical practice that best align with this lesson are SMP 4, Modeling with Mathematics, as we will be visually using Skittles and arrays to create multiplication equations, and SMP 5, Use appropriate tools strategically. An array is a helpful tool for helping students conceptually understand multiplication. The materials you will need are a bag of Skittles and an array sheet. I found mine online, but you could make one if you wanted to. For my first example, you can see me laying out Skittles in an array that includes 15 Skittles total. This is 5 rows of 3 Skittles or 3 rows of 5 Skittles. The next thing you would do is you would move to the repeated addition section. I wrote 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15, but it can also be written out as 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 15. Then you would move to the multiplication section. 3 times 5 is 15, or 5 times 3 equals 15. For my next example, you can see me laying out Skittles in an array that includes 24 Skittles. This is 4 rows of 6 Skittles, or 6 rows of 4 Skittles, depending on which way you look at the array. We would then move to the repeated addition section, where I wrote 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 24. But again, this could also be written as 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 24. Then you would move to the multiplication section. 4 times 6 is 24, or 6 times 4 is 24. In this example, I am laying out Skittles in an array that includes 12 Skittles. That is 2 rows of 6 Skittles, or 6 rows of 2 Skittles. When we move to the repeated addition section, you write 6 plus 6 equals 12, or you can also write 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 12. In the multiplication section, you would then write 2 times 6 equals 12, or 6 times 2 equals 12, to represent the repeated addition equations. In my final example, you see me lay out 18 Skittles, which is 3 rows of 6 Skittles, or 6 rows of 3 Skittles, depending on how you look at the array model. We would then move on to the repeated addition section. 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 18, or you can write 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 18. You would then move on to the multiplication section, where you would write 3 times 6 equals 18, or 6 times 3 equals 18, to represent your repeated addition equations. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that these examples help you to help students better understand multiplication conceptually through the use of Skittles and array models.